So, I have a short draft for an article, but when I wrote it, I was a little bit tired, so there might be some mistakes. Today, we're going to talk about how we can use GPT-4 to help us rewrite some content that we wrote on remote work. We have a file in the exercise files, so let's go ahead and grab that text. Let's head over to exercise files, click O103, grab this text, copy, and paste. So, it's a short essay on remote work. And if you scroll through it, we can see that there are some typos, an address, Office 365, and some other parts here as well. We're even getting these red squiggles in our browser, so we know something is up. Let's go ahead and ask GPT-4 to rewrite the following article for clarity. So let's add that to the bottom of our prompt. Rewrite the article for clarity. Hit enter. Okay, there we go. We can see here it's now Office 365. It's capitalized. That's pretty good. We got quite a few changes, but let's ask GPT-4 how many it changed. How many changes did you make? Okay, there we go. We made some changes. Let's ask for a specific number. How many changes specifically? We got some numbers here, so I guess this is around 25 changes. We can actually verify if we go through and reread this to see how many were happening, but generally it looks like there are quite a few changes. So that's good. What we can also do is ask GPT-4 to rewrite this in a less formal tone. It emphasized that this is a little bit more formal if you can see up here in its original revision. Here we go. The tone was made more formal. I don't necessarily want this. I want this something that I can send casually to a team member. So let's go ahead and ask GPT-4 to do that. Can you make this less formal? Okay, we got a response. You can see here, this is a little less formal. We have words like cool in there and tricky, so it's a little bit more relatable. So you might have gotten a slightly different response, but the idea is the same. GPT-4 can be used to rewrite some of your existing writing for clarity reasons. However, it's important to review your company's or organization's policy on using GPT-4 for these kinds of communications. And it's always important to make sure to reread it yourself, since these models can make mistakes.